Good morning, students. Welcome back. Welcome back to the session of arrays. And today is the session 10 on arrays. And last class we were discussing the two-dimensional array, how it can be declared, how it can be initialized, how the elements can be accessed, and how we can input and output the arrays, 2D arrays. So welcome back. Part number 10 and chapter number 11, arrays. Today's class is two-dimension array, and we have been discussing this, and today we will be learning the practical programs on two-dimension arrays. So let's get started, and let's continue the program which we were discussing in the last session. We were discussing that we will be writing a program to find sum of uh, all the rows and all the columns. So here we have the logic to find all the rows and all the columns. First, let us take one matrix. Let us take one matrix with two rows and two columns. Let us take 2 cross 2 matrix, that is a matrix with two rows and two columns. Like this. Let this be array A. This is 0 row, and this is 1 column, and this is 0 row and 1 column. Let's imagine the data given is 4. So the value stored in array A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we need to find row sum. Row sum is 1 plus 2, first row sum, that is 3, and the second row sum is 3 plus 4, that is 7. How will we do that? So for I is equal to 0, I is less than R, I plus plus. R sum is equal to 0. We have R sum that is equal to 0. For I is equal to 0, J is equal to 0. I is 0, and J is equal to 0. So now R sum is equal to R sum plus A of 0, 0, that is plus 1, R sum plus 1. And again J plus plus, J will be 0, no, sorry 1. So 1 less than 2, true. R sum is equal to R sum plus A of Ij. Ij andre A of 0, 1. So we are adding 0, 1 is 2. So we are adding 2. J plus plus, J will be 2. 2 less than 2, false. Control will come out. Sum of row number I plus 1, that is 1, is R sum. R sum is 3, that is 1 plus 2 is 3. So next loop ಅಲ್ಲಿ I is incremented by 1. I will become 1. I. Next repetition ಅಲ್ಲಿ I will be 0 ಇತ್ತು I plus plus ಅಂದ್ರೆ I will be 1. Again r sum is equal to 0. Now r sum will be 0 because we are doing it for the next row. So r sum will be equal to 0 because we are taking the next row. Now for j is equal to 0, j is equal to 0. 0 less than 2, true. R sum is equal to R sum plus A of ij. I is 1, j is 0. I 1, j is 0 ಅಂದರೆ 1 0 is 3. So we are adding row sum plus already 0 is there, we are adding 3. Again j plus j will be 1. 1 less than 2, true. R sum is equal to R sum plus A of ij. I is 1, j is 1. 1 row 1 column ಅಂದರೆ 4. So 3 plus 4 7. J plus j will become 2. j 1 ಇತ್ತು plus ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ it will become 2. So now 2 is less than 2, false, control will come out, and then we are printing r sum. R sum will be 7. I plus I will be now 2. 2 is not less than 2, false ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, control will exit from the loop. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ row sum ಮುಗೀತು. So now we will do the column sum. We'll take the same this thing. Now we will do the column sum. Column sum 1 plus 3 and 2 plus 4. So for I is equal to 0, I is less than c. Columns, we are taking columns now. I is equal to 0. C sum is equal to 0. So C sum for j is equal to 0. So j is equal to 0. C sum is equal to C sum. C sum ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಇದೆ. A of j I. J ಅಂದರೆ 0, I ಅಂದರೆ 0. So 0, 0, 0 is 1. So we are adding C sum plus 1. J plus j will be 1. 1 less than 2, true. C sum is equal to C sum plus A of j I. J is 1, I is 0. 1 0 is 3. So now j plus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, j will be 2. 2 less than 2, false, control will come up, we will print the sum of column. Sum of column is 1 plus 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 will be printed. Again I plus I will be incremented by 1. Next ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ I will be incremented by 1. So I will become 1. J will again become 0. J is equal to 0. C sum is equal to again 0. So again C sum will become 0 because we are taking the sum for the next column, C sum. Now C sum is equal to C sum plus A of J I. J is 0, I is 1. J 0, 0, 1, that is 0 row, 1 column, that is 2, plus 2. So now J plus plus agate, J will be 1. 1 less than 2, true agate. C sum is equal to C sum plus A of J I. J is 1, I is also 1. 1 row, 1 column is 4. J plus plus, J is incremented by 1 and J will be 2. 2 less than 2, false. Control will come out. Now we will print the column sum. Column sum is 2 plus 4, that is 6. 6 will be printed. So like this we will be printing the row sum and column sum separately. Hope you have understood this program. Let's move on to the next program, next practical program. Let me erase this so that we can make space available for the next program. We can work out the next program. Write a program to find sum of two matrices. So we need to add two matrices. So here we have taken two matrices as A and B, and then we are storing the result in sum. R1 C1, R2 C2. R1 C1 will store the order of matrix A, R2 C2 will store the order of matrix B. Ij are the looping variables. Clear screen. So as I told you, first we will be taking the order of matrix 1, that is R1 and C1. Then we are accepting the uh, order of matrix 2, R2 and C2. Storing the first matrix. So we are accepting first matrix. That you know, we have been doing this in many programs. Input, you know how to input a matrix, you know. So similarly, we will input one more matrix, that is B. So as you can see here, so we are inputting matrix B. Now, as we know that addition ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ the order should be same. Order of matrix should be equal to the order of second matrix. Then only we can add. Otherwise, we will not be able to add. So for example, ಈಗ ನಾನು ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, so we will take two matrix. So one more matrix, say this is B, and we need to take one more matrix to store the sum. So let us take the matrix first. Let us take first matrix. So let this be A matrix and let this be B matrix. and let this be sum. Let this be 0, 1, so 0, 1. Addition ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 0, 1, 0, 1 and 0 and 1. So now order same idre, then I is equal to 0, I is less than 2, true, j is equal to 0, j less than 2, true. So I is 0 ide, j is also 0. J is again 0. So what are we doing here? Sum of ij, sum of 0, 0 is equal to a of 0, 0 plus b of 0, 0. Sum of 0, 0 is equal to a of 0, 0 and b of 0, 0. So we need to draw the matrix again. Kindly have patience. Let's draw the matrix again. Let this be A, let this be B, and let this be sum. It's again 2 rows, 2 columns we will take. So whatever you take, the order should be same. So let this be A, and let this be B, and let this be sum. Let this be 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So let the values be 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So now I0, Y0, first we will be adding 7 plus 11. Next will be 8 plus 13. Nine plus 14. Ten plus 12. So, like this, the matrix elements are added. As we know that to perform sum of two matrices, the order of the matrix should be same. In case if the order is different, we will not be able to add the matrix elements. So here the elements of matrix A is added with the matrix B, and the result will be stored in sum matrix. So that result we are printing here in this statement. In case if the order does not match, then we are printing matrix are not compatible and we will not be able to perform the sum operation or addition operation. So this is about today's class. Hope you have understood today's class, and coming up sessions we will be discussing few more practical programs on matrices. Hope you have understood today's class, and next class will be one more practical program on student database that we shall discuss in the next coming up video. Thanks for your patience listening. Have a great day ahead. Thank you all.